In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unwanted emails on Yahoo Mail. If you're getting repeated messages from a sender you no longer want to hear from, Yahoo Mail gives you a simple way to block them directly from your mailbox. This can help keep your inbox cleaner and make it easier to manage spam or unwanted contact. To get started, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Mail. This will take you into your Yahoo Mail account where you can manage your messages and mailbox settings. After you're inside Yahoo Mail, move to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Spam. This folder is useful because unwanted messages often end up there automatically. If the email you want to block has already been filtered by Yahoo, this is usually the fastest place to find it. Now look through the messages in the spam folder and find the unwanted email from the sender you want to block. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct message, especially if there are several emails with similar subject lines or formatting. Blocking the right sender is important because this action is meant to stop future emails from that address. Once you've found the email, hover your mouse over it. You should see additional options appear next to the message. Click on the three dots beside that email to open the More Actions menu. From that menu, choose Block Sender. This tells Yahoo Mail that you don't want to receive messages from that sender in the future. A confirmation prompt will then appear. Click Block to confirm your choice. After that, the sender will be blocked. That's all it takes. From this point forward, Yahoo Mail will prevent future emails from that sender from reaching you normally, helping reduce unwanted messages in your account. As a quick tip, if you don't immediately see the email in your spam folder, you may need to check your inbox or another folder where it was delivered. The key part of the process is finding the message, opening the options menu with the three dots, and selecting the block option. And that's how to block unwanted emails on Yahoo Mail. Once you've done it once, the process is very quick and easy to repeat anytime you need it.